Hello everyone, welcome back. Bienvenido. So today we're going to be looking at a Christmas tree that's absolutely stunning and vibrant. An absolute party of a Christmas tree. I cannot wait to dive in to how you can create this stunning and happy Christmas tree in your home. And the best part about it is you can consider me your personal shopping assistant, as I have linked all the items that I have found in the description below so that you can create this look from your home today. It's going to be a lot of fun, guys, so let's get started. In our 16 Christmas tree design series, this is Christmas tree number 5, and this is called La Fiesta. I can't think of a more fitting name for this absolute party of a Christmas tree. It is so gorgeous and so vibrant and so just beautiful. I think that with this vibrancy, it creates such a wonderful Christmas tree that can absolutely complement any home. I certainly feel that the beautiful Encanto vibes from the recent Disney film, the vibrancy of everything just really makes you feel like this is a happy and cheerful and joyful Christmas tree to have in your home. This Christmas tree will fit into any home, it doesn't matter the style, especially with the intention to bring a lot of light and joy to the space. With such a vibrant Christmas tree, I really went in and found all of the neat and ethnic type of pieces that we could add to this Christmas tree. So to start off, really, this is going to be an easy way to really start a Christmas tree. I think a classic green Christmas tree or a flocked Christmas tree would both be perfect for a base for this type of tree. And certainly, I'm sure you have one of those choices already in your home. Now, the fun part comes with adding the decorations. The ribbon for this Christmas tree, I started off with a whole bunch of Fiesta ribbon options with just different vibrant colors and stripes and variations of patterns that really can give a nice accent and touch to this Christmas tree. I did add a couple of the small Fiesta ribbons so that you could create little bows to add to accent the tree. And if you would like, you could also be interested in some pre-made bows to add to your Christmas tree. Now, in addition to Fiesta ribbon, I did go ahead and add in some neon pink and neon green and really bright orange ribbon, because one of the things about this Christmas tree is its vibrancy and colors really lend to the neon color palette, and so you can absolutely layer in all of these colors into this Christmas tree and really have an awesome effect. Garland is perfect for this Christmas tree, and so I put in a couple of really fun options. This ribbon tassel garland I think would be really cool, especially along the bottom of the Christmas tree, maybe to layer over your tree skirt to give it a little bit more depth or a little bit of a fringe to the bottom of your Christmas tree. I think that this tassel garland is a really nice touch to add in some of that texture throughout the tree, as well as a pom-pom garland is going to look really nice and complement this style very well. One of the things that I found, and unfortunately I wasn't able to find on Amazon for you guys, was this Mexican straw garland, and I absolutely love this. The vibrancy of this is just stunning, and so some of the links that I'm going to be adding here today, guys, are going to be from a site called Etsy, because some of these things are handmade and they are really not available on Amazon, but they are so special and worth looking at and supporting those handmade artists because they're really spectacular pieces. For the picks of this Christmas tree, I did find some really fun and vibrant pieces. The neon pink glitter picks are going to be nice to add in throughout the Christmas tree, as well as some of these neon green items. These sparkly and just bright colors certainly are going to lend itself easily to the Christmas tree. I found these really cool ferns with vibrant colors of yellow and purple and even the neon pink, and I think that these are really cool options to add in texture throughout the Christmas tree, especially if you're going to be layering in any of the paper flowers that I'm going to be talking about in a bit. And then I also found some really nice neon colored pampas grasses in variety packs as well. So I have found a hot pink, a blue, and an orange, and these would be quite stunning, especially if you wanted to add them throughout the tree and also to help create a very full and voluminous tree topper. Looking at the ornaments for the Christmas tree, I did two things. So not just ornaments, I started off with these Fiesta party fans because I think these fans and these Fiesta party flowers throughout this Christmas tree really have a beautiful effect, because I like to add large scale items to a Christmas tree, not only small ornaments. And so I think that these are not just for a party, but would look great on the Christmas tree with those ornaments in addition. Some of my favorite things that I find to be one of the most beautiful options for some handmade Mexican ornaments are the Talavera hand-painted pottery type ornaments. These are so beautiful and handcrafted, guys. So I did find some on Amazon, but again, if you really want to support local artists or artists even abroad, go to Etsy and check that out, because there's a lot of options there. I found a really beautiful vibrant color of 12 Days of Christmas, and that is a really nice piece that complements this color palette. And of course I had to get the Fiesta nutcracker because I have never seen a nutcracker wearing a sombrero, and this is adorable. So he has a piñata and a sombrero, so he had to go into the collection because it's just beautiful. I absolutely love him. And then I found some beautiful rainbow serape ornaments that are quite nice, as well as some carved alebrijes, which is just a beautiful like fantasy type of ornament of animals and spirit animals and things like that. They're quite pretty. I did go on Etsy to get some of the classic embroidered ornaments because I did not find a good specimen on Amazon, but these are just stunning. And so these are really beautiful pieces. And I also found a really interesting hand-woven ornament on Etsy as well. And so again, a lot of the ornaments today are actually coming from Etsy, but I think that it's still a really nice thing to go on and support those artists. For the topper for this Christmas tree, I do recommend a star type of topper if you're not going to be doing a topper with the picks. So a gold tree topper with those nice stars are going to be quite beautiful. I found a really nice multicolored glass star that would accent this tree quite lovely, and I found that in two variations. And then I found a gorgeous punch tin star with multi variations of glass gemstones in that punch tin star here that is also just a really stunning piece. If you're going to put a skirt on this Christmas tree, you could go ahead in with all these beautiful stripe patterns to accent some of the ribbons that you may have used. Or if you would like to use some of these beautiful color patterns that are also very on theme for this Christmas tree. And if I use some of those colorful patterns, I probably want to bring in also some stockings to kind of accent that and bring that in just to match a little bit the Christmas tree style that I have. So there's some really beautiful stockings as well. So guys, I'm really interested to hear what you think of that Christmas tree. I think that as an overview, it is such a stunning and cultural piece, and I really think that it's worthwhile even adding some of those pieces to your own Christmas tree because they're just so beautiful. And certainly for those of you whom this has been part of your family tradition for years, you could always let us know in the comments below if you would recommend any other type of ornament or traditional ornament that would be really beautiful on this Christmas tree that I may have missed. And so thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate you, and if you loved the video today, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.